Okay, well, today is the 8th of December, and I'm Osama Shawki from Cairo, professor of gynecology. Many of you met me all over the world. Today I'm in the city of Salem. Salem is a small city in a state called Tamil Nadu. For those who doesn't know India, India is a subcontinent, north, east, west, and there is nothing called Indian food. You have to say South Indian food, North Indian food. Even the people, they're different. Some areas, they're nice and friendly. Some others, are like Mumbai. No, I don't like Mumbai. Okay. When you go to the South, they're very friendly, very easygoing. So it was a surprise for me when I get invited by SK Hospital. Okay. Salem is a small city, so I expected that the resources and the setup will be medium average. But I can confidently say, after operating on 79 countries from the United States to Russia, the facilities, the setup, the equipment in this hospital compete with the ultra-modern hospitals in the world.
And the doctors too.
This is number one. It's not only that place, but the people in the place. The anesthesia team, I'm so comfortable because endoscopy is very sensitive in anesthesia. It's not like laparoscopy. Okay, so it's very, very, very stressful. So the anesthesia team were very transparent. They gave me the confidence to work. All the stuff, even some things were new for them. But after the first case, second case, you are perfect. They catch, they learn. And I think that behind all this success is a gentleman. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
This person, I don't want to make a political problem, but I think he can be the next Narendra Modi.
Oh my God.
He has great brain, not only in medicine, to put this establishment on that level. So you did great for your country, for your family, for your city.
Thank you very much. And hope to see you again next time.
Again. Cut.